Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to learn one interesting topic, that is the skeletal and muscular system. Okay, children, what is our body made up of? Our body is made up of trillions of cells. Yes, trillions of cells. Some of the cells join together to form tissues. Some of the cells and tissues join together to form organs. Some of the organs join together to form organ system. Some of the organ system join together to form an organism. Yes, this is the structure of an organism. So, our body is made up of trillions of cells. Okay, this is one organ, this is one organ, these are all the organs. Some internal organs, some external organs also there. External means we can see with our eyes, hands, nose, ears, eyes. Okay, these are all the external legs. Internal organs means they are inside our body. We can't see with our eyes. They are hidden. They are inside our body. What are the internal organs present inside our body? Brain, lungs, heart, kidneys, stomach, intestines. Okay, these are all the internal organs. Now we will discuss about the skeletal system. Okay, in our body, number of systems also there. Okay, skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, nervous system, okay, and breathing system means respiratory system, excretory system and reproductive system. Today, now we are going to discuss about only skeletal system. Okay, what is the skeleton? Okay, how many parts it has? Okay, now we will discuss about these. What is a skeleton? What is the skeleton? From the tiniest fish to giant whale, blue giant. Okay, from the tiniest fish to the giant blue whale, all vertebrates move with the help of bones and muscles. Okay, now come on, touch your elbow, children. Come on, touch your elbow. How do you feel? You feel something hard. Touch your fingers. Okay, touch this wrist, touch your head. How do you feel, Amma? You feel something hard. These hard parts are called bones. Come on, touch your upper arm. How did you feel? You feel something smooth. These smooth parts are called muscles. So, hard parts are called bones and smooth parts are called muscles. So, what is the topic today? This is the third chapter. What is the name of third chapter? Skeletal and muscular system. Okay, now skeletal system is made up of hard parts are called bones. How many bones are there in your body? Can you tell? Do you know? There are 206 bones in our body. So, muscular system is made up of muscles. How many muscles are there in our body? More than 639 muscles also there in the body. So, skeletal and muscular system. Skeleton means bones. Skeletal system is made up of bones. Muscular system is made up of muscles. Bones and muscles. So bones and muscles work with coordination. Okay, now so bones and muscles work together with coordination. Then only we can move our body parts very easily. We can lift heavy object. We can bend. We can we can bend. We can bend our elbow. We can bend our fingers. Yes, we can run. We can walk. We can speak. We can eat. All these possible because of the bones and muscles work together with coordination. Then only we can move our body parts very easily. Okay, so now we will discuss about the skeleton. What is the skeleton? See, this is the model of the skeleton, Amma. Okay, now model of the skeleton. What is the skeleton, Amma? The framework of, for example, see, all the bones in our body form the skeleton. How many bones are there in our body? 206. An adult has 206 bones in our body, isn't it? So all the bones in our body form the skeleton. Okay, now so the framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton or skeletal system. How many bones are present in the inside our body? 206 bones. How are the bones? Bones are actually very hard to touch, but inside there is a soft jelly like material is present, that is called bone marrow. Actually bones are different sizes and shape. See your fingers, finger bones are short, finger bones are short, skull bones are flat, okay na. And here also we have bones. See here, these bones are curved, thin and curved. See one friend, see here one flat bone is present here. This is a breastbone, okay na. So some bones are short and some bones are long and some bones are round and some bones are thin and curved, okay na. Some are short bone, some are long. For example, see upper arm and lower arm, these bones are long, finger bones are short, skull bones are flat, ribs are thin and curved. So bones are different sizes and shape. Is it clear, children? All the bones are not same. Bones are different sizes and different shape. Okay na? Some are short, some are long, some are thin, some are curved, some are flat. Okay children, so bones are hard to touch outside only. Okay na? Bones are very hard to touch outside only, but inside the bone some soft jelly like material is present, that is called bone marrow. Okay na? Blood cells are produced in the bone marrow of the bone. Is it clear? Okay, bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus, that's why they are hard to touch. Okay, so see here, what is the skeleton, amma? All the bones in our body form the skeleton or skeletal system. Is it clear? So the framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. Okay na? So see here, the framework of bones inside our body is called the skeleton. What are the main function of the skeleton? It gives shape and support. Okay. So for example, umbrella, we use umbrella in rainy season. Okay, na umbrella spokes are there in the umbrella. No, without spoke, how can it open? It is possible? No, like that. Okay, like a spokes, these bones also give support to our body. Imagine without bones in your body, how can we walk? How can we run? Is it possible to you? No, not at all. So bones give shape to your face and support to your body. Okay na? So bones, what is the main function of the skeleton? They give shape, okay, and support to our body and also protect the internal organs of the body. What are the internal organs? They are inside our body. Okay, what are the internal organs present inside our body? Brain, heart, lungs, okay, kidneys. These are all the internal organs. Bones protects the internal organs of the body and also it helps us to move. Okay, bones and muscles work together with coordination, then only we can move our body parts. Is it clear? What are the main functions of the skeleton? It gives shape and support to the body and it also protects the internal organs of the body and also it helps us to move our body parts. Is it clear? Next, what are the main parts of the skeleton? See here, I will show the model of the skeleton. What are the parts of the skeleton? It has skull. It has skull. This is the rib cage. These are all the hands and legs, and back of the body you to have backbone. Okay, nothing but spine. These are all the parts of the skeleton. I come again. What are the different parts of the skeleton? This is the skeleton, model of the skeleton. What is the skeleton? All the bones form in our body is called the skeleton. The bony framework inside our body is called the skeleton. Okay, now how many parts it has? Skull, this is the rib cage, arms means hands and legs, and back of the body spinal cord means vertebral column or backbone. These are all the main parts of the skeleton. What is the first part of the skeleton? Skull. Okay, skull. Skull is made up of bones. How many bones it is made up of? Skull is made up of 22 bones. Skull is made up of 22 bones. 8 flat bones are present in the upper part of the skull. Okay na? And remaining 14 bones are present in the facial region. Okay na? So how many skull is made up of how many bones? Skull is made up of 22 bones. 8 flat bones are interlocked. Okay na, skull bones are fixed, they can't move. Okay na, and 14 bones are present in the face. 14 bones which protects the eyes, nose and tongue. Is it clear? And lower jaw is movable. Lower jaw can be moved but not the upper jaw. Is it clear? Skull is made up of 22 bones. Okay, 8 bones are flat, they are interlocked. Skull bones are fixed. Okay, remaining 14 bones are present in the facial region. They too protects the eyes, nose and tongue. Okay, we have 2 jaws, upper jaw, lower jaw. Come on, do along with me. Which jaw is movable, upper jaw or lower jaw? Lower jaw is movable. Is it clear? This is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. Lower jaw only movable. Okay na, skull bones are fixed. What is the next one? Next part of the skeleton, rib cage. Rib cage means this is the rib cage. So rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs. Inside the rib cage, heart and lungs are present. So ribs, these are all the ribs. Okay. See here children. This is the rib cage. This is the rib cage. These are all the ribs. These are all the ribs. How are the ribs? How are the ribs? Thin and curved. Thin and long and curved bones are called ribs. Okay na? And in front of, in between ribs, one flat bone is present, that is called breastbone. See Devi here. Okay, see here, this is the rib cage. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs. 12 pairs. 12 pairs of ribs are present. This side 12, this side 12. Totally 24 bones are present in the rib cage. Okay na, these are called ribs. How are the ribs? Thin, long and curved. Okay na, in between ribs one flat long bone is present, that is called breastbone, is called sternum. Okay na, ribs are attached to the front breastbone, back at the backbone. Okay na, ribs are attached to the breastbone in the front and backbone at the back. Is it clear? Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs. Okay na, and rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Okay na, 10 pairs of ribs only attached to the breastbone. The last two pairs of ribs are not attached to the breastbone. See here, these 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Okay, these 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. These are not attached to the breastbone, they are attached to the backbone at the back. These 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Is it clear? Okay, what is the next one? Backbone or spine. Okay, backbone is also called vertebral column. This backbone is made up of 33 small bones. Each one we call vertebra. Okay na? So backbone is made up of 33 small bones. Each one we call vertebra and also we call vertebral column. Backbone or spine. Backbone is also called vertebral column. Skull is attached to the backbone. Starting of the backbone. Is it clear? Each one we call vertebra. In between vertebrae there is a cartilaginous substance is present. That's why we can bend easily. Okay na? So these bones helps you to bend and to move. Okay na? So backbone is made up of 33 small bones called 33 small bones. Each one we call vertebra. Okay na? So backbone is also called vertebral column. Each one we call vertebra. In between small vertebrae there is a soft material is present, that is called cartilage, which helps us to move and to bend easily. Okay na? So backbone is very very important for us. Okay na? So if any accidents or injuries happen, simply we have to lay on the bed only. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay now. Tomorrow we will discuss about the arms. Arms means limbs, hands and legs. Okay. Bye children.